Dear community members, here is the COVID-19 update for Saturday, May 16th. Remember to mark your calendars for the virtual community town hall that will be held May 19th. More information will follow. Please also be sure to check somervillema.gov/COVID-19 for information and resources that are updated frequently. Here's our latest news. City events will be canceled through the end of the year. Yesterday, Mayor Curtatone announced that in an effort to continue to control the spread of COVID-19, all city-sponsored and permitted events will be suspended through the end of the year. Although the traditional format, in-person events won't be happening, we'll be looking for ways to virtually or otherwise safely bring the community together and celebrate some of our favorite festivals and holidays, as well as enjoy local culture and arts. We're calling on the community, as well as our Arts Council staff, creative and safe ideas. Meanwhile, if conditions improve, smaller events may be reconsidered later in the year. School-sponsored activities, athletics, and parks and recreation programming remain under review, and guidance will be shared at a later time. As a reminder, the governor's limit on gatherings to no more than 10 people remains in effect, and the Somerville Board of Health still strongly recommends holding off on all gatherings of any size until it is safer to hold them. Reopening Somerville. On Monday, Governor Charlie Baker is expected to announce more concrete statewide plans for the phased reopening of the state. After reviewing the information, Somerville will be issuing local guidelines that may differ from state plans, which are expected to be a one-size-fits-all approach with the same reopening schedule for rural and urban areas. The city's goal is to have a reopening plan that is tailored to our city and region so that it will keep Somerville residents and workers safe while allowing for a sustainable reopening of the economy. After the extraordinary sacrifices we've all made to flatten the curve, we need to reopen appropriately to ensure that we keep it flat. Keeping the curve flat will protect lives and help ensure that our newly restarted economy won't falter amid new outbreaks. Join an upcoming virtual town hall meeting to discuss COVID-19. Join us for upcoming virtual town hall meetings with Mayor Curtatone and city staff, where you can learn about local COVID-19 impacts and the city's response. You can either participate live via Zoom or by calling in by phone, or submit questions in advance and watch live on City Cable TV, channels 13 and 613 on RCN, channel 22 on Comcast. Meetings will also be recorded and rebroadcast later on the City YouTube channel and City Cable TV. For more information on how to participate, visit somervillema.gov/virtualtownhall. Here are the upcoming meetings. Community Town Hall, Tuesday, May 19th, 7 to 8 p.m. This is for the general public. Parents Town Hall, Thursday, May 21st, 7 to 8 p.m. Youth Town Hall. The date will be announced shortly. This is for teenagers and high school students. Shared Streets pilot coming to Somerville. In an effort to provide more walking and biking routes that allow for more social distance, the city's mobility team has been developing a shared streets plan based on international best practices and customized to Somerville's public health needs. By the end of May, the first shared route will be set up and more will follow citywide over the summer. For shared streets, low volume or residential side streets are opened up to pedestrians, cyclists, and other users while still allowing vehicles, but limiting those vehicles to abutters, first responders, and delivery. Shared streets provide new options for residents to safely make essential trips for food, healthcare, or other needs, while also offering the wellness benefit of new routes outdoors. Signage and flexible barriers alerts all users to the shared use to help keep everyone safe. Somerville's program will use temporary materials that can be modified based on our experience with the pilot. More information will come. Free COVID-19 testing. To sign up for free COVID-19 testing for Somerville residents, call 617-665-2928, Monday to Friday between 8:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. You do not need to have symptoms or a doctor's referral. Today's public health tip. May is Mental Health Month. May is Mental Health Month, and especially during a public health crisis, it's important to remember to take care of your mental health. Here are some tips from the CDC on coping with the stress and uncertainty around COVID-19. Take breaks from watching, reading, or listening to news stories, including social media. Hearing about the pandemic repeatedly can be upsetting. Take care of your body. Take deep breaths, stretch, or meditate. Try to eat healthy, well-balanced meals. Exercise regularly and get plenty of sleep. Avoid alcohol and drugs. Make time to unwind. Try to do some other activities that you enjoy. Connect with others. Talk with people you trust about your concerns and how you are feeling. Where to find help or someone to talk to. Hotlines and virtual counseling services are also available for adults and youth. We've compiled links to resources on the city website, or call the 311 COVID-19 Community Support Team at 311 or by calling 617-666-3311 for information. Visit somervillema.gov/coronavirushelp and click the Mental Health and Well-being tab. If you or someone you know is experiencing a mental health emergency or is contemplating suicide or harming others, call 911 immediately. If you or someone in your family is experiencing a mental health crisis, the Boston Emergency Service Team is available 24/7 at 800-981-4357. Thank you.